Hello everyone, I'm Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Cybersecurity. So in the previous lecture, we have discussed about different public key algorithms. So in today's lecture, we are going to see about ElGamal Cryptography. So this is also one of the algorithm used for public key crypto system. Let's see that. ElGamal Cryptography. So public key crypto system it is related to the public key and also the private key. So it uses the concept of exponential in a finite field. So with the security based difficulty of computing discrete logarithmic as in DH. So each uses generates their keys so they can choose their secret key 1 less than xa less than q minus 1 and it computes their public key ya equals a power xa mod q. So with this formula they can compute the public key. Here Bob encrypts a message to send to a compute a message m in range 0 less than or equal to m and less than or equal to q minus 1. So it is a longer message must be sent as blocks. So if we have the long message if we have 1,000 lines of information means we have to split that into blocks. So if we have chosen a random integer means k, so that should be 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to q and q minus 1 and it computes the one time key k is equals y power ya power k mod q. So for encryption, think a message M as a pair of integers C1 and C2 where C1 is equal to A power K mod Q and C2 is equals Km mod Q. So C1 it computes a DH public key and for C2 we are performing encrypted a message. So the encryption of a message as a pair of integers C1 and C2 where C1 is equals A power K mod Q and C2 is equals Km mod Q. A then recovers a message by recovering a key k as k is equals c1 xa mod q and computes a message as m equals c2 k power minus 1 mod q. A unique k must be used each time, otherwise result is insecure. Because if we didn't use a unique k value, the hackers or attackers can hack the message or information. So it uses the field of GF19, Q equals 19 and A is equals 10. Allies computes are key like A chosen XA is equals 5 and computes YA is equals 10 power 5 mod 19 is equals 3. Bob send message M is equals 17 as 11 comma 5 by choosing random K is equals 6. Computing K is equals YA power K mod Q is equals 3 power 6 mod 19 equals 7 and compute C1 is equals A power K mod Q. That means 10 power 6 mod 19 is equals 11 and C2 is equals Km mod Q. So that equals 7.17 mod 19 is equals 5. So we have used the formula. So with that formula we are applying the values. By applying that we'll get the values like for C1 we are getting 11 and for C2 we are getting 5. Analyze how he recovers original message by computing or by applying the equation k equals c1 xa mod q 11 power 5 mod 19 is equal 7 and it computes the inverse like k power minus 1 is equal 7 power minus 1 that is equals 11. And how he recover the message means m is equals c2 k power minus 1 mod q, that means 5 into 11 mod 90, so we'll get a 17. So with this way we'll recover the message and the k value in ElGamal algorithm. So with this algorithm, here we have used the same modulus operation. With that, we are getting and we are performing the public key operation. Thank you.